Hi, my name is Akhilesh. I am the co-founder of Young Innovators Robotics Lab. I have a degree in engineering. I build robots for a living, and my recent venture has been providing accessible STEAM education to students all over the lower mainland.
Hello everybody, my name is Suhasini and I am the co-founder of Young Innovators Robotics Lab, and I have a background in sociology, anthropology, and the social sciences, and I have a lot of experience working with not-for-profits.
I have been a STEAM educator for about 7 years, and when I was teaching at different institutes, I learned that there was a lack of quality education. There's a for-profit model that is being used across the industry, and there really is no quality education related to STEAM left anymore. So I teamed up with my sister, and together we provide accessible STEAM education, which is very versatile and can be used to teach multiple different subjects at a time.